Mr. and Miss Traveler, ElleKosGlam. This is our home tour. We hope you enjoy it. I had to pull Mr. Traveler in because he's never in videos like this, but hopefully you can enjoy it. So welcome to our home. Let's go. So I hope you enjoy my dining room setup. I'm not going to talk a lot in this video because Mr. Traveler is recording this video and we are making sure we got enough memory. But everything came from Pottery Barn, Crate and Barrel, and I'm going to try to link everything down below. These are silk flowers and I love to have a setup for every season. Over there is Serena and Lily. And this was custom made for me. This is real silver. And these are antique plates that I found at a thrift store. Right now we're in the washroom, and this is custom made from Mr. Traveler. He redid, let me close that. He redid this room. I will link that video right here. And it's beachy, it's cozy, cottagey, and that's the feel that I wanted to do for our home. He did the shelves himself. Shelves themselves, they right. And here is my organization. I also have some seashells over here on the wall. Since we live in Florida with hurricanes, we have to keep batteries. So I'll link this down below too. This is the emergency kit for batteries. Okay, let's go to the living room. This is our great room, and everybody knows that Mr. Traveler made this fireplace. He sketched it out on a piece of paper and built it for me. It would have been 3 times the amount if he didn't build it for us. And he actually built it himself, and we actually ordered a touchstone fireplace to go with the TV, and he built everything himself. And this is actually quartz down here. This is quartz, and it's beautiful natural stone, and I hope you enjoy it. These seamless mirrors are from a designer. They're custom made to the wall, and I'll try to link some close ones down below, but they are a beautiful edging beveled mirror, and I actually dropped this mirror and it didn't break. As you can see, Snowball is having a good time right now. The couch, I'll try to link some similar couches below. I don't even think this couch is even available anymore, but we got this couch from Sears and we caught it on a really good deal. I thought it was fitting for the space. The rug is custom made from Restoration Hardware. I do believe I bought it from Restoration Hardware. It was custom and it's Italian silk, and it was very expensive to have a rug this big in this space. If you know RH, you know the prices. This is African zebra wood. This was custom made from a man in India for me, and he made this exact model for me. Candles are from Crate and Barrel. These are from an antique store. I don't even remember where I got them from because we used to live on the Gulf side, so I used to shop around over there, and I think that's where I got these antler holders from. Also, we have wooden shutters, and I tried to do the whole house, but unfortunately I didn't have time to do them before we moved, so we were getting ready to move. But these are custom wood shutters for the windows. The kitchen, and let's go to the bedroom. These sconces are actually custom. There's a lot of custom things in this house because our house is so large. I wanted to make sure I keep the scale the size of the wall. This particular mirror is from, I want to say Pottery Barn or Crate and Barrel. And the bench is definitely custom made. But it was from a dealer on Amazon that customized them. But the sconces are my favorite. They are from India and they are hammered metal. And they are real and they are very heavy. And they are going with us. Really. The carpet is definitely plush. As you can see when I walk, your feet just go down in the carpet. It's very, very plush. I like that. The pillows that's on the bed is from Z Gallery, and the bed linen is from Crate and Barrel. And the chairs over there are from, I want to say, Pottery Barn, and the headboard is also, I think, Pottery Barn. And the tables and the lamps are from Restoration Hardware, and the shades are from Restoration Hardware. Our window treatments is from, where did that from? Bed Bath & Beyond. And the wall treatments are from Bed Bath & Beyond. That particular table that's in the middle of those chairs, that's Restoration Hardware. And the lily that's on top, that's Restoration Hardware. I love Restoration Hardware. The fan, I noticed if you notice the fan, it has a light. Me and Mr. Traveler was toying between buying a fan or a chandelier, so we just did both. And it lights up. It's beautiful. I hope you enjoy it. The art pieces are custom. I had to have those made. The artwork is going to be hard to find, but I can try to link it down below. Let's go. We didn't have time to remodel the bathroom, so this is what it looks like. It's very dated, but we sold the house as is, so we didn't have time to remodel the bathroom, but this is my master bathroom, and this is where I get dressed every day. I have a water closet, walk-in closet for Mr. Traveler, shower, and tub. The shelves that's over there in the corner, mostly everything on there is from Restoration Hardware. The candle on the right side is from Pottery Barn, and then everything else is from Crate and Barrel. And here's the kitchen. We didn't have time to remodel that either, because we were on our way to remodel it, but somebody bought our house, so we don't have time to remodel it.
We did the cabinets.
But we did do the cabinets.
And new appliances.
And new appliances. This is actually from Restoration Hardware. This art piece right here. And I had some art pieces coming right here, but since we're moving, I'm not going to do anything to the wall. Let's go upstairs. Here's my beauty room. Let me just go ahead and show my outfit, because I know I'm going to get a lot of questions about this outfit I'm wearing. Oh, can you come in one, because the light is blinding me out. There we go. So I'm going to show my outfit, and it's from this designer that I really, really love, Tula Rosa. And it's Italian linen, and it's lined. That's what I really love about this designer, and it's very, very comfortable. So here it is. Let me get a close up. It has tassels. I have about 10 pieces from this particular designer. So it's tassels and embroidery, and I love linen that's embroidery. So here's that. And my shoes are J. Crew. And I hope you're enjoying this video. Thumbs up if you love it. Here's my Ricky mirror, and everybody's seen this mirror. Oprah actually talked about her favorite things, and this was one of them. I have both. I have the small one, and I also have the large one. And there's a TV in here, mirror, my beautiful, beautiful chase that I love in here. This is where I take a lot of pictures. And this also is my clothes holder. And I love Chanel, so I have a lot of Chanel hangers, and I collect Chanel. And comment below and let me know if you want to see my Chanel collection. I really love Chanel, but I love back in the day Chanel vintage, where everything was made precisely and perfect. But I still like the new things, but I'd rather have the old. So this is a Murphy bed in here, boxes, and there is things in them that's sentimental to me. Like one of the things that I love my husband bought for me. This is a Tiffany set But he has my real name on it, and he says, I love you, and it's a whole set. I received this on my birthday last year. And something is in every one of those boxes, so I don't just stack my boxes. And I have a lot more Chanel things, but I will show you. And here's my closet. I never had a chance to remodel it, but these are some of the things that's in here. That's just a quick peek because it's a mess because we're moving. And that's the closet in there. And then I have another closet. This is the linen closet right here. I just keep sheets and things and stuff like that in here, and my hair and stuff like that. This is my guest bedroom. This is where my guests stay when they come from out of town. And that particular mirror broke twice on the way to my home, and that was from Bed Bath & Beyond. It's actually a hanging mirror, but I put it on the wall. Here's some more art pieces, and I just love this room. Okay, and here's the bathroom. This is my guest bathroom. Never had time to remodel it, but everything is in here. I usually do my makeup in here. I have my spa treatments right here and some soap and stuff like that. Just a regular bathroom. And some knickknacks up there. And this is where me and Mr. Traveler film. This is our loft. We actually do videos here. We talk to you guys here. And this is the first time you've seen the behind the scenes. And let me just give you a fun fact over here. Our degrees are down here. Everybody always asks about our degrees. Yes, those are real degrees. Down there, those are our degrees. Here's my baby picture. And I had one of Mr. Traveler, but I don't know where he is. These are the 50th Mickey and Minnie's, and they are going to be collector's items later. And we decided to buy them, and we're going to see if they appreciate. And that's it. This is the Murphy bed. We got a TV up here when we work. And that's how the house looks from down below when we're filming. We made a lot of memories here. So I also want to show you the backyard. You ready for the backyard? Here it is. We hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you for coming into our home today. You, and you. It was a lot of y'all. We appreciate you supporting our channels, Mr. Traveler and ElleKosGlam. We made a lot of memories in this house, but it's time to sell this house. It already sold, actually. That's why we're doing the video, because we want to remember this moment. And make sure you look forward to seeing our next home. We're going to do another tour, and we'll take you with us on our move.
Thank you for watching, guys.
Life short.
Have fun.
See the world.
Bye, everybody.
Be blessed wherever you are. Bye.